Hello students, and welcome to our Google Classroom. This video's purpose is very simple. It is just to introduce you to the tabs at the top of our Google Classroom and explain to you what they mean. The first tab is called Stream. The assignments found on this tab are worth 40% of your grade as decided by Glenn County School System. Each week you will have one stream assignment. That assignment is to be completed by the Thursday of that particular week. For example, our first week, I am going to ask you to create a professional TikTok video introducing yourself to the class. Within the post, there are helpful how-tos or samples of student work to help you in a creative way. Now we will move on to the Classwork tab. This tab is where you will find all of your assignments worth 60% of your grade. You will follow the Classwork tab by modules, and within each module you will have various to-dos. Please watch my next video, which will explain details about the Classwork tab, including all of the icons that you see here. Thank you for watching.